Hi guys, and welcome. Different setup today because of working at home, but I've got some really exciting news, and that is all about Instagram SEO. So Instagram have a few new features, but I'm focusing on this one in particular today, which is their updated search function. So previous search function, you could only ever really search for hashtags and usernames, and by that I mean the name field. And that was all you could search for. It was very basic. Now, however, they have updated it so that you can search basically for the caption. You can search all these different things. So it's now becoming a lot like Google in how it uses search and search engine optimization. So what does this mean for your business? Because you're probably wondering, Charlotte, why are you even so excited? Well, if you can get ahead of the game versus your competitors in this, then it is going to be very, very good for you, because a lot of people now use Instagram already to search for services in their area versus Google. So if you can optimize your Instagram to rank in that search, it means you're going to get more visitors, more people that are searching to your profile and to your website and to inquire. So it's a really good opportunity to do that. And it doesn't involve a heck of a lot of extra work, because I know that's probably the next thing you're going to say. Charlotte, does this mean I've got to do even more to my Instagram posts? And no, it doesn't. It's just tweaking your existing captions and Instagram posts. So I always talk about captions. Now, I know in the industry, particularly the landscaping industry, a lot of captions are just like, contact me on this for patios, and that's it. And you put like a phone number in that they can't click, or an email address that they can't click, or a web link that they can't click. And that is pretty much it. Now, this is why it's important now more than ever before for you to write a valuable, informative caption that engages them and asks them to comment or like, or ask them to visit your website, but offers them some value and insight. So obviously with this, for example, this is going to be a social post. I'm offering you a load of information. Now, I'm not saying you need to record a video of yourself, but in the caption, it's going to follow suit to this video and offer a load of information. Now, that in turn will be full of keywords that we as the Landscapers Circle want to rank for. So if you're talking about your garden design and you're including lots of relevant keywords, and you say garden design Hampshire in that, then that's going to be really good. Now, something to be aware of is hopefully Instagram is going to be smart enough to to notice if people keyword stuff. So if people literally put keyword after keyword, because Google now knows that if you're doing that on your website, you don't rank for that. You actually get negative performance for that. So hopefully we won't see it on Instagram. I know people are going to try it, but trust me, you don't want to do that, and I'm not telling you to do that. You just want to include relevant keywords in your caption that are applicable to the post you're writing on. So the initial focus for you is going to be making sure that the captions you're writing are including relevant keywords that people are going to be searching for. So another example is Tattoo Studio Southampton. Now, how could you get that into a caption? Well, you could start it off with saying, are you looking for a tattoo studio in Southampton? Or you could finish it saying, from your favourite tattoo studio in Southampton. So again, and then you don't have to do it on every post. Every post is different, and think about different keywords that you want to rank for. So is it simple garden design? Is it big garden design, complex, award-winning, whatever it may be, and whatever you think people will be searching for on different posts, then you can include in your captions. The second thing is your image alt text. So just like you do on your website, you add an alt text and alt description to your image. This again is really key for ranking in SEO. So I'm really excited for that now to be used alongside descriptions and everything else. So noting that, again, you can do it in Instagram, and in some of the schedulers you can also edit the image alt text. And then of course, hashtags. Hashtags are still prime and important, so they again will be really important, as well as making sure your name and description on your profile are relevant to your business. So if you would like some help on your Instagram bio and your profile, your Instagram captions and hashtags, and a heck of a lot more to do with Instagram, then make sure you sign up for our free 5-day Instagram success course. This is available on our website, and I will leave the link in the description. Over 5 days in your email inbox, I will be giving you tips and video tutorials on how to do everything, as I say, from creating captions, saving time on social, and so much more. So I hope you guys enjoy that. If you have any questions about Instagram SEO, or would like more information, or would like another tutorial on, then please let me know in the comments. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.